It's chasing. It's chasing. Yo, what's up? It's your girl Kiara. We up here on a fucking ride cruising. My girl Kara. Hey Kara. How you doing? And, yo, we just figured something the fuck out. Alright? You know, the disciples were fucking black. They're not that white curly head nasty shit fucking black. Because when you get weed, you get that in your system. Fuck it. What you want? First thing you want to do? Go on an L ride. You go on an L ride. That's L rides back in the day. You walking in the desert with 12 other niggas. You all pass the blunt in rotation. Are you talking about some philosophical shit? And that's basically how shit is on.
That's how the Bible was originated.
The Bible was originated on the shit is high. So light one up for me and praise Jesus, because the people who wrote the Bible were fucking potheads. Alright? They were fucking potheads. Feel me? All them stories in there is when do you see fucking giants? You can see a giant where you the fuck high though. David and Goliath, yo. Nah, dog. They was high as shit. And they was sitting on the floor, and the person who beat them the fuck up looked like a giant on the real. And his name was Goliath. I bet you. That motherfucker, remember, he had legs, he stood the fuck up, and then he beat Goliath down. There was no fucking slingshot, yo. End the story, yo. YouTube host. I'm signing out fucking deuces.